Example problem 26 reads, how many particles are in 12.77 grams of hydrochloric acid? So we're told that we have 12.77 grams of HCl, and we want to know the number of molecules. Because hydrochloric acid, HCl, is a molecule, not an atom. So that is going to be a two-step conversion from grams to molecules. And you have to go to moles as an intermediate. So grams of HCl to moles of HCl. And then moles of HCl to molecules of HCl. And so in 1 mole, we have to calculate the molecular weight for hydrochloric acid. So there are 2 elements in this molecule, hydrogen and chlorine. The atomic weight of hydrogen, its element number 1, is 1.008 grams. For chlorine, its element number 17, it's 35.45 grams. So 35.45 grams. There is 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. And so 1.008 times 1 is 1.008 grams. 35.45 times 1 is 35.45 grams. And we have to add row 4. So in your calculator, 1.008 plus 35.45 equals 36.458. And so that goes down here, 36.458. And then in 1 mole, there is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. So grams cancel, moles cancel, and we're left in molecules. So in your calculator, 12.77 divided by 36.458 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is 2.10, so 2.11 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of hydrochloric acid, HCl. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 26.